There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I got some other gadget to show you, and for now I'm gonna lift this up a little because it's too low. Sorry about the mess. It's always a mess in here. Bought another gadget. It was cheap too. Amazon. I've been buying camera gadgets because I record a lot of videos. This one is basically is what it is. It's the hell was I gonna say? It's not a tripod. I don't even know what this is called, a monopod, or I don't know. It's a telescopic adjustable. It's not made as good as the other gadget I bought. There's a lot of plastic on it, but for what it does, it allows you to basically telescope something like this. So you can take this, put it on here, give it a good little tighten. Actually, I'll put it right here. Can you see that? Yeah, okay, you can see that better. And this goes in here like so. Right, see, that goes in there, locks in. If you turn this right here, you can turn it this way. You can put it upright. It's like an arm, I guess you could say. This thing, there's a little notch. If you turn this, see, you can move it different directions. It's not made super duper high tech. It's got plastic, it's got metal in the middle. The little bulb here moves 360s. You can also take, like most camera equipment, this is a little piece right here is interchangeable. Watch you knock the camera. It's interchangeable. You can take this off and interchange it with just about any piece you want. So I have a bunch of them. Bought a bunch of crappy camera. Like I used to use this one, my camera in it. See, I can put this on it, and all I got to do is, if I want to use it, loosen it up here, or right here, so you can see it. And all I got to do is click my camera in there if I want. Basically, I bought an extra square thing. Camera just pops right in there, and boom, done. It's a little bit like it doesn't lock this way, but at least it stays. You can get some straight down shots. The good thing about this is when you're on a bench and you're going like this, things tend to move, things tend to shake, and it won't fall off the bench like my other ones. That especially if you're using a grinder, it just kind of like everything just falls off the bench, especially when I put the grinder in here. So check them out. I don't know what the part number is on Amazon. I'll put it under right here. Also, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my daughter's channel. It's pretty cool. We unbox videos. We unbox toys together. And this is the famous Kyle. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to my fans. And check out some of the people listed below this. And we're going to end this now before we have too many hands in the video. Say bye.